Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris of Digital Rim, and in this video we're going to show you how to enhance your stories just like we do at Digital Rim using our graphics packages and all the little plugins and features that Instagram offers. So with that being said, we're just going to hop right into it. Let's go. Alright, we're going to show you how to create a story. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open Instagram. After Instagram is open, if you hit where it says the A here, the A plus, where it says your story, you can add it by just simply hitting that. After you hit that, you can simply go to your camera by hitting the camera, or you can select from any of the files that are on your phone, right? So let's just select from one of the files on our phone. Let's do something like this, right? Now let's say this is your image. This is what you want. One of the things that's often overlooked as far as when you actually create a story, if you have a call to action where, let's say this is you want somebody to go register for an event, or you want somebody to attend or buy a ticket, whatever the case may be, or you just want to add a graphic over the top, we're going to show you how to do that really quickly. So what you want to do is hit the little, where it has the A near the top, hit the little smiley face sticker thing, and you'll see you have all of these options to select from. So if you have a product, you can select product. And if you have it attached to a store, you will be able to select that product and it will add it over. If not, you may have a link to a website, so you can hit link and then say you want your link to go to Digital Rim or your website. But you can also customize the sticker text right here by hitting that plus button and say, click here, or register here, or RSVP, whatever you want it to say. But you see, now you have this button that once you click and hold and drag, you can move it anywhere you want. Also, if you click and hold and then put your other finger on to scale it, you can scale your actual bigger and smaller, make it bigger or smaller. I always suggest bigger. Bigger is easier to see and helps people see where to click. So just make it as big as possible and put it wherever you want. If you click it, you can see it changes the color, so you can make the colors kind of match whatever your image theme is here. So that's to create like a register button, a click here button, essentially a link to whatever you want it to go to. So you can create your own links. Let's go ahead and hit that smiley face again. Another thing that a lot of entrepreneurs may want to consider doing, especially if you have like a personal site, but you wanted to point to your business website or business profile or Instagram page, you just want to hit this support small business. And one of the things when you do that is go ahead and just enter the name of the site or name of the profile. And you see, now we'll go to the actual profile. So this profile might, let's say for instance, have a place where they can go purchase the actual shirts from, or whatever the case may be, or where they can register from or figure out more information about, or see all of the posts that are actually about that business. So again, sometimes when you're posting to your personal profile where you have pictures of friends, family, and everything else, that's one thing, but we want people to start to drive traffic towards your actual business page. So again, having that link to kind of go to that page and let them become aware of, like, this is where I post all of the stuff that is in this fashion. Let me see one more thing. I feel like I'm missing one more thing. Let's see. You can add things like this, but oh, here it is. So one of the main reasons why I made this video is because more than likely you purchased the graphics package from Digital Rim. And the graphics package consists of a transparency that allows you to overlay your actual graphics on top of an actual story, image, or whatever. So we're going to show you how to do that as well. So right next to countdown, you see there is a plus sign that's surrounded by some boxes. You're going to hit that plus sign. Essentially, that just goes to your actual camera roll or your files, your image files on your phone. Definitely ideal beforehand to go ahead and download the files from your Google Drive link that was provided when you purchased but download the files from your Google Drive link and it will have the transparencies for you as well. So now you see we have our transparency logos, and we could just grab one. We know we're doing it on a black background, so we're going to take one of the darker ones. So we're going to take this one, for instance, and you see now you can overlay your logo wherever you want on this actual image, and you can brand it, pretty much brand your logo just like that right inside of your story. You can brand your graphic. One of the other ways, that's one, you can do as many as you want to. One of the other ways I like to utilize this is, again, this usually doesn't come with your graphics package unless you have the additional services to do photography as well. But you can do stickers of yourself on your brand. So I'm just scrolling till I get to where my stickers are. In 1 second, here we go. You have stickers of yourself on your brand. So we're just going to select one. Let's do this one. Boom. And you put yourself right in there. Right? And just kind of arrange things to how you like them, but click here. It's literally like I'm saying click here, and the people are in the background jumping. So again, that's essentially how you can utilize your stories to kind of brand your story, but then add elements where people can pull a call to action. So click a button to go to your website or register or buy a ticket to your event or whatever the case may be. Whatever you want them to do, you can have them hit this link just like this, and they'll do whatever, pretty much take them wherever you want your traffic to go. And as we teach in the Creator Academy, you always want your audience to be able to engage with you or have a call to action in every post you do. So something where it leads them to the other part. Another way you can utilize this is, let's say somebody else posted something that you want to share. So we're going to go to Digital Realm. Digital Realm posted something I want to share. So let's say they have a reel that I want to share. I want to share this reel. What you can do is hit that plus or the paper plane looking button next to the comment. Hit that paper plane and you can hit add to story, right? And this is usually what you want to do as far as if you are managing two pages. Like I'm managing Digital Realm, but I want people to drive back to Digital Realm from my personal page or whatever the case may be. But let's say I'm posting this Digital Realm post on my personal page. Now I can do the same exact thing with hitting that sticker button. Go ahead and support the small business, point it back to Digital Realm. It'll give that point back with some photos, of course. Then you can also add your sticker on top or whatever. Again, add your brand elements that you purchased. Add those over the top. So we're gonna do myself one more time. Let's do this one. Right? Again, I highly urge you don't do too many because it gets kind of cheesy if you do too many. I do probably one, but I'm just showing you for the purpose of demonstration. I'm just showing you all of the different elements at the same time. So another thing that I would also include is text, in which you can do text as well. Insert text. And that's just simply by hitting the text icon at the top. Scale it up. Always scale it up as big as you can. I highly suggest. And you could change like the style by hitting this at the top. Just like so. And then when you're done, you hit done. Boom. So that's the text. So usually that's how we would usually do an actual post from somebody else's page. Again, you can add your own own branding to it if you want to. I don't suggest this all the time unless you are co-branding with somebody else. Now, this is another reason why you want to have Digital Rim or a company similar to Digital Rim help you with your graphics packages, because now you will have versions of your logo that go with the style of the video. So we see we're working with a darker style video, so we're gonna grab the lighter logo, you know, or you can grab the darker logo. We're gonna go grab the darker one, and do something similar to this here while putting it on top of this. However you really want to do it, but see, it gives you that versatility. Like, this one pops on the video, this one doesn't pop as much. The one on the left pops more on top of the video, the one on the right doesn't, because the black actually kind of blends in with the video, so it allows the white one to pop more. But when we put the black one on top of white, it allows it to pop more. So again, if I were to choose one, I would probably choose the black on the white, because I kind of like replacing that heart here with the branding. It'll be just like that, and I might just adopt that for my future posts like this. Like, instead of having the traditional heart here, which that's cute and all, whatever, cute, I'm saying loosely, but I'd rather have my branding. And that's kind of how you want to think as a brand owner. Like, how can you brand whatever you're sharing, whatever content you have? How can you maximize the branding for that thing? How can you maximize the branding so in essence people can enjoy the visuals of your actual post, but then also get reintroduced and experience your brand visually again? So again, keeping that repetition going, keeping that top of the mind going, and then you will have better brand recognition going on in the future. And again, sometimes it's just stuff that aligns with your brand's mission. Like, you might post something that just aligns with your brand's mission, but you also want to make sure you brand it, just like you brand your face. You want to make sure you brand your logo, brand your business on top of it, as far as visuals or whatever the case may be. I think you can use your best judgment for this. But when you're ready, you go ahead and hit that arrow to the right. You can just hit share, and it'll share right to your page, right? It's sitting here, it's loading right now, but essentially it's sharing right to your page. So just like that. And that's essentially how you would do a Instagram story from the Digital Rim's perspective. So how you maximize your graphics package with a story to brand it, so you can maximize your brand exposure when reposting stories or reposting reels or whatever the case may be. So alright, so boom, there it is. You got to see exactly how we create stories here at Digital Rim. It's very, very simple process with a lot of different features that you can utilize to enhance your brand experience for whoever's even experiencing your brand. So with that being said, if you just purchased the graphics package, or you're part of the Creator Academy where you learn how to create the graphics for yourself, you can now know how to enhance your brand awareness by utilizing those graphics in your stories. So with that being said, hopefully this inspired you to do that one thing that takes you closer to your goals. Like I always say, do that one thing that takes you closer to your goals. And all y'all have a blessed day. Later, y'all. Peace.